Hello, welcome to my channel. David Bradley here. I do, well, mostly I tinker on Commodore things. I also play Call of Duty. Recently I decided that I would do a little video on changing a tire, and I've done other things, like how to make tuna melts, how to change the battery in a Dodge Magnum station wagon. So in other words, most of the time, if you come here, or if you see a preview, it will be some sort of Commodore thing, or a Call of Duty game, but I do other things too. As they say, I'm not just a pretty face. Anyway, so thanks for coming. Thanks for dropping in. Feel free to subscribe if you have any questions. I do my best to answer quickly and promptly and as accurately as possible. And if I don't know, I'll say, I don't know. Keep in mind, if you send a question and I answer it, and then you reply to the question, YouTube doesn't tell me about this. It tells me when you send your first comment, but it doesn't do follow-up. So I scroll down and I look for things. So if ever you write something and you're hoping I would answer after we've already corresponded a little bit, if I don't, it means I didn't see it. So send me the comment again on another video and then I'll say, oh, look at that. But I do scroll down and I look. But sometimes I miss things. I try not to, but things happen. So, yes, I mostly explore, try and fix, and tinker with everything from the Commodore PET up to the Amiga. So that would be the Commodore PET, then came the VIC-20, then came the 64, then came the 128. In the midst of that, there was the Plus 4 and the C16. I haven't done a whole bunch on them, but I do have some of them. I've just got to find them. You know, mostly I record in the box room and the pet room, but I'm not limited to that. I call this the box room because there's a lot of boxes in here. The pet room has, well, last I checked, 39 Commodore pets, going from the very early chiclet with the data set built in, which is, of course, a horrible thing to type on, up to one of the smooth case separate keyboard machines, and everything in between. There's also a Commodore machine, and there are some super pets, and big screen, small screen, Fat 40, 8032, all kinds of things. So I've been working on them. I also have in there a number of dual drives, and yes, even a 2031 high-profile single drive. That was my first disk drive that my brother and I got. And indeed, there's all kinds of stuff in there that was from way back when, from when we ran the Bradley Brothers bulletin board system. And, you know, over the years, I just have accumulated more things, as in 39 pets. I think 24 or 25 dual drives. I'm not crazy about printers, but I have some of them. Haven't done much on them, but I will, I shall, at some point. So, thanks for dropping in. Hope you stay a while. There's lots of stuff to see, and if you have any questions or comments or suggestions on what I might do, I'm all ears. I'm also an avid promoter of, well, I mean, if anybody has anything that they want the world to know about, you know, let me know. But also, I've been a member of the Toronto Pet Users Group since, well, not quite when it started, but almost. And every year they put on something called the World of Commodore. It's usually the first weekend in December. Just recently they did the 2023 version, and I hope soon there will be information up about the 2024 version. It is, well, if you want to meet a whole bunch of like-minded people to share stories and see there's, yes, the new things, there are new things happening. It's a great place to come, and also to check out online. There were, I haven't checked, but I'm assuming that the videos of the presentations from this year are up and live, I would think. Anyway, it's a great event. I know there are others in the world that I have not had a chance to get to. I would like to get to some of them. I understand there's a good one in Chicago. And also, I think down towards Kitchener, there's kind of an event where it's not just Commodore, it's all computers, but there's a lot of Commodore stuff there. And I know there's, I guess, the VCF series of shows here and there and everywhere. Anyway, here we have a Commodore 64 I was just looking at. I got it at the World of Commodore, even though I was very much trying not to get anything. Things happen. So, thanks for having a look. Thanks for dropping by. Hope you stay a while. And I remain at your service. David Bradley from the Box Room, signing off. Bye for now.